Today I'll show you how to get paid just by watching videos. So first off, I want you to head over to this website. This website is 100% free. You don't need any investment to get started with this. You can earn money from this website by taking surveys, playing games, watching videos and more, but we are going to focus on watching videos because this is the simplest and most paying thing that we can do on this website. Watching one video will get you paid 75 cents for videos, for $3 and 12 videos for $9. Moreover, later in this video I'm going to show you how to 10 times those earnings. The best part about this website is when you sign up for a brand new account, you're gonna get a $1 bonus. To claim it, just fill out your first name, email address, username, and then create a password. On the country section, just click this drop down arrow right here and then select your country. As you can see, they're accepting people from all over the world, so it doesn't matter where you are coming from. You can get started with this right now and earn a lot of money online. So once you're done with that, tick this box right here after reading their privacy policy and then just click the sign up button. After doing so, they will take you to this page. As you can see here, they will credit you $1 for every 100 points you earn. Once you reach $7, you can automatically cash out your money through PayPal, Bitcoin, or through e-gift cards. So to continue, just click on this button right here. Once you're done clicking that, you can now log into your brand new account. This is what your dashboard would look like. By the way, this website is called gg2u.org. Now you can see here that they gave me $1 as a sign-up bonus. You can also see this section right here and check the companies with their offers, which you can do on this website. These are some of the best and legit companies around the world, so you can do these offers and earn a lot of money. But as I've said, we're going to focus on watching videos because it is the most paying and simplest thing to do, and bear in mind that some of the offers are only available for a limited time, so try to do them as soon as possible. So to earn money just by watching videos, you need to click on this section right here where it says videos, and that's going to take you to this page. As you can see here, for every 200 points you earn, you'll receive a silver token which will add $1 to $3 to your account balance. So that's up to 1.5 cents per point. Moreover, you learn around 50 points for watching one video, so that means you learn 75 cents per video. So if you watch 4 videos, you're gonna earn $3, and later on I'm going to show you how to 10 times those earnings. Now, what I like about this website is you can watch different kinds of videos such as sweets, music, celebrity, viral videos, gaming videos, and so on. So all you have to do is click on this button right here, which will then take you to this page where you can watch the video. By watching this very video alone, you'll earn 50 points, which is equivalent to 75 cents. Now here's the bonus tip. If you want to 10 times your earnings, watch 10 different videos on each different tabs at the same time. The more videos you watch, the more money you make. And if you have more devices, let's say you have extra phones and laptops, you can also watch different videos through multiple devices at the same time. By doing so, you learn the most amount of money because you don't need to actually watch the videos. You can just play them in the background while you're doing something else. And another tip: in order to save some data and increase your speed, change the video quality to 240p, and that way you'll maximize your earning potential. This method alone might not be able to replace your day job. That's why I highly recommend you to find more side hustle to solve that. Watch this video right here to know how to make even more money just by typing CAPTCHA